Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the recovery options tied to your Microsoft account. This matters because reset codes go there. Open the Outlook app or navigate to the Microsoft sign-in page on your phone and tap Forgot Password. Enter your email address, then choose the recovery method listed, email, text, or authenticator. Once done, unlock your phone with its passcode and keep the Authenticator app nearby. These steps ensure the reset code reaches you and prevent delays when confirming identity. After requesting a code, enter it promptly. This completes Microsoft's identity check and lets you set a new password. If you prefer not to reset, check your device's saved passwords. On Android, use Google Password Manager. On iPhone, open Settings then Passwords, and look for entries labeled Outlook or Microsoft. Also open any third-party password manager you use and search for Outlook. If a match exists, you can copy the stored password. Make sure autofill is enabled, so the app fills credentials automatically. Finish by creating a strong new password and update it across your phone's saved passwords and any password manager so future sign-ins are seamless. If this is a work or school account and reset is blocked, contact your IT administrator for an official reset. If you don't receive codes, make sure Do Not Disturb or spam filters aren't blocking messages, clear the Outlook app cache, or attempt the reset from another device or mobile browser. This final troubleshooting tip fixes most common interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.